If you are not following us, you will probably not see us again. But if you are, then congratulations, you are growing every single day. In the race to true AGI, the final boss is collective intelligence. Thousands of minds working together to train better models and secure agents. Today, open source training and agent safety are fragmented and under-incentivized. Enter SN29 Coldint, now AI-ASSeSS, Bittensor's decentralized collaborative model training and agent security subnet. Miners share improved models, code, insights, and red team agents. Validators score real improvements. With 11.24 million MC and 69.81% APY, this is the shared brain upgrade for the entire ecosystem. Welcome to Coldint, where collective intelligence wins. Open source ML training and agent safety are powerful in theory, but broken in practice. Developers waste months duplicating work. Centralized platforms rely on donations with no real incentives. Labs hoard models and red teaming data. This creates massive duplication, slow progress, and vulnerable agents. The bottleneck: no competitive crypto-incentivized marketplace for continuous model improvement and agent security testing at global scale. Trillions in collective intelligence wasted. SN29 Coldint AI-ASSeSS fixes this with Bittensor's incentive layer. It turns model training and agent red teaming into a continuous rewarded collaboration cycle. Miners improve models, contribute code, and stress test agents. Validators score real performance gains and safety. Rewards flow only to genuine improvements. This creates a living, evolving training and security ecosystem that gets better every epoch. Coldint isn't just another subnet. It's the collective brain and shield for all of Bittensor. What is SN29? SN29 Coldint, now AI-ASSeSS, is Bittensor's collaborative distributed model training and agent security subnet. Miners are rewarded for sharing improved ML models, code, bug fixes, insights, and red teaming agents. It builds on a fork of SN9 pre-training with far better incentives and now includes agent safety bounties. Validators score improvements on FineWeb Edu2 and dynamic security tests. Current stats: $2.49 per token, $11.24 market cap, 69.81% APY, strong 23rd emissions rank, live validator, collective training and security in action. The real-world problem: training better models and keeping agents safe is expensive and slow when done in isolation. Open source communities lack strong incentives beyond donations. Duplication is rampant, and agents remain vulnerable to jailbreaks and exploits. Companies and researchers waste resources rebuilding what already exists. The problem: no scalable, competitive, crypto-native system for continuous collective model improvement and agent security testing at global scale. How SN29 Coldint addresses it. Coldint creates a permissionless cycle: train better models, share publicly, red team agents, get TAO. Miners contribute code, bug fixes, insights, and security tests. Validators score real performance gains and safety robustness on dynamic objectives. Frequent updates keep the network evolving. This turns individual effort into collective intelligence and protection faster than any single lab or centralized platform ever could. How it works: miners train on shared objectives, FineWeb Edu2 and agent safety tasks. Submit improved models, code contributions, and red team results. Validators run automated scoring on performance, novelty, quality, and robustness. Rewards are distributed based on real improvement and security value. The system dynamically updates objectives and validator logic. Everything is on-chain, transparent, and merit-based. Pure decentralized collaborative training and security. Uniqueness and specialty. Coldint is the only Bittensor subnet focused on continuous collective model improvement and agent security, with crypto incentives for both models and code contributions. Unique dynamic objective updates, validator refinements, and red teaming bounties. Forked from SN9 with far better anti-gaming and merit-based rewards. Specialty, turning every miner into a contributor to the collective brain and shield of Bittensor. Who needs this? Consumers. ML researchers and developers who want better base models without rebuilding everything. Every Bittensor subnet that needs continuously improving models and agent safety testing. Companies building on open source AI. Security teams running red team bounties. The entire open source community that benefits from faster, cheaper, safer models. Coldint serves the whole ecosystem, from training to secure deployment. The competitive edge. Crypto incentives versus donations. Decentralized competition versus single labs. On-chain validation and transparency versus black box platforms. 69.81% APY plus 23rd emissions rank attracts top talent immediately. Tiny $11.24 million MC for massive upside. Coldint, the unfair advantage in open source AI training and agent security. SN29 Coldint versus SN9 Iota versus SN05 Hone versus SN01 Apex. Let's compare inside Bittensor. SN9 Iota focuses on pure pre-training but lacks code contribution rewards and agent security. SN05 Hone specializes in hierarchical pre-training for AGI, but is simulation only. SN01 Apex targets advanced pre-training with different scoring. Coldint stands out with real code plus model contributions, dynamic objectives, agent red teaming bounties, and weekly collective improvement. One subnet that combines training evolution and security testing, the complete package no other subnet offers. This is why Coldint is built to lead the TAO ecosystem. In the Bittensor landscape, SN29 owns the collaborative training and agent security niche completely. It complements every other subnet by providing continuously improving base models and safety testing. No direct rival for incentivized model plus code sharing plus red teaming. Perfect synergy with inference, agent, and simulation subnets. Positions TAO as the home of both intelligence and collective evolution. SN29 Coldint versus tech giants. Coldint edge. Let's compare with the tech giants. Hugging Face Spaces plus Model Hub offers collaborative training and sharing, but runs on donations with no crypto incentives. Google Colab gives collaborative notebooks, but is centralized distributed compute with no on-chain rewards. Weights and Biases excels at ML experiment tracking, yet lacks decentralized validation. CometML has a strong model registry, but no competitive incentives. Paperspace Gradient does team training, but is fully centralized. Coldint's edge, real crypto incentives, on-chain validation, decentralized plus competitive models, and agent security bounties. This is why Coldint wins the long game. Architecture. Our split service architecture features miner submission portal, validator scoring engine, dynamic objective updater, and sandboxed execution layer. Miners push improved models and code. Validators run automated performance and security checks on FineWeb Edu2 and agent tasks. Everything is on-chain and transparent with real-time leaderboard. The system dynamically refreshes objectives and validator logic every cycle. Scalable, robust, and built for continuous collective improvement and agent protection across the entire Bittensor ecosystem. Is SN29 Coldint production ready? Coldint is fully production ready, with live validator code, active GitHub, real miner rewards flowing every cycle, and thousands of automated evaluations running weekly. The infrastructure already supports model sharing and agent red teaming bounties. Revenue potential is huge through premium model access, security testing services, and cross-subnet integrations. The system is stable, secure, and serving the collaborative training and agent safety community right now, not in some distant future. Partnerships and backing. Built by a dedicated team with deep Bittensor roots and strong ecosystem support. 100% open source and community-driven with clear governance roadmap. Perfectly positioned for deep integrations with major training, agent, and security subnets. Real builder energy driving continuous improvement and agent safety features. This isn't just another subnet. It's a collective building the shared brain and shield for the entire Bittensor ecosystem. Roadmap and updates. We are rapidly expanding objectives beyond FineWeb Edger 2 into multimodal capabilities, deeper code contribution rewards, and full agent red teaming bounty programs. Recent validator refinements and dynamic scoring updates keep the network fresh and secure. The roadmap is laser-focused on becoming the default collective training and security layer for all of Bittensor. Future-proofing the shared brain and shield for the agent supercycle. The bull case. The bull case is 100x plus. As agentic AI explodes, Coldint, AI-ASSeSS becomes the collective training and security layer for the entire ecosystem. A move from 11.24 MMC to $1 billion plus is realistic as adoption spreads across Bittensor and beyond. Combined with TAO growth and 69.81% APY compounding, early stakers see legendary returns. This is how you own the shared brain powering the future of safe, collaborative AI. The bear case. The project pivoted from pure collaborative training to AI agent security, with the old model openly called out as not working well in DTAO. GitHub activity has slowed, and the site says no new plan for the old version. Execution risk on the new security focus is real. However, the 23rd emissions rank and strong APY provide protection, and the agent security narrative is massive. Coldint is built for the long game, where collective intelligence and safety win. Staking math. TAO at $174.31. Stake 5 TAO, $872 at 69.81% APY. That's roughly $50 a month in passive income today. But do the math. If SN29 hits its 100x target, your monthly rewards explode into $5,000 plus. You are staking the collective brain and security layer for the entire agent economy. High conviction play with strong emissions protection. SN29 Coldint, AI-ASSeSS, is building the collective intelligence and security layer the AI age needs. With strong emissions, live tech, and a massive narrative tailwind, it's primed for 100x plus. Stake now at Coldint.io. Own the shared brain. Join the revolution. The future of AI is collaborative, secure, and unstoppable. Happy staking. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for learning with us. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Always invest what you can afford to lose. But remember, the biggest risk in this new AI economy is not taking any risk at all. The new age slogan is, don't wait to buy TAO. Buy TAO and wait. Our intention is to bring once-in-a-lifetime opportunity Bittensor directly to your screen. Data as of March 8th, 2026. Join us at Buy Stake Chill. We bring you the real alpha.